Hello, my name is Livia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my cornrows. I put up a picture of cornrows on my Instagram a few days ago and everyone wanted to know how I did them. I don't think I did anything special, to be honest, but since you guys wanted to see, just going to show you guys how I make my cornrows. So if you'd like to see that, keep watching. But before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. So yeah, without any more talking, let's get down to business. So I know I usually say that when you're doing a protective style, you should start on previously moisturized and stretched hair. But for today, I'm not going to be doing that. Like, this is my hair. Last time I moisturized my hair was about 4 days ago. But it's not like my hair is dry, but like it's not really moisturized and it's a bit shrunken. I want my hair in the bun for a few days, and then last night I took down the bun. Yeah, so my hair is not stretched, it's not freshly moisturized, it's not freshly washed, it's not any of those things I usually say. I'm just like recreating the hairstyle for you guys, so it's not like I intend to wear this, so that's why I did not bother to do all that. Yeah. So first thing, divide your parts. If you want your cornrows to be thick, just like any other hairstyle, I feel like you should do bigger sections. The bigger the sections, thicker the cornrow will be. So I'm working on making like about 8 cornrows on my hair. And I usually start out like this. The cornrow on two sides, I don't know, it's usually smaller because I start out small and then I increase it as I go. It's not intentional, it's just that I get tired along the way. So you should make your sections kind of big if you want your cornrows to be thick. And like I said in my flat twist tutorial, you should make the front like thicker, like wider than the back, because or else you run out of hair before you get to the back, like before you finish doing the cornrows part. So you should make the front wider than the back. I usually start by dividing, like I'll take out into section front, divide that into like 3 parts, and then start to for cornrows, just like flat twist, you're basically braiding, but like picking some hair as you braid. So instead of just like, if you know how to do regular braids, instead of just like braiding all through to the end, when you braid, you like pick as you go. So when you get to the end, like when you have like just a little hair left, I like to add that one loosely, because if you make your cornrows tight to the back, when you bend your hair, like you're going to be putting too much tension at the back and you may end up losing your hair, or it's going to be painful. So I make that last part of hair that I don't know if you guys can see, I make it kind of loose, then like I add it loosely to the rest of the hair, so you can see like there's enough space before I continue to braid. if you run out of hair, like this is already too small compared to the rest, so you can borrow. Since you do not plan to do like a braid out, you can borrow, just add a little to it and continue braiding. I think I lost track. Okay, like this. So just add some hair to it, to the part that is like already small and thin, and then continue to braid. I feel like if you detangle your hair with a comb, it's going to be thicker. Because the last one I did, like the cornrow I did that I posted on my Instagram, I detangled my hair with a comb instead of using my fingers, and I kind of feel like that contributed to the thickness. Because when you're finger detangling, you are not like separating all your hair. I feel like combing gives more volume than finger detangling. Like finger detangling helps you to preserve more, volume in the sense that it reduces shedding and breakage. But like at the moment, like for you to see, like it kind of hides your volume. I don't know if you understand. If you finger detangle exclusively, then you probably understand what I'm trying to say. Finger detangling kind of hides your volume, so like it look like your hair isn't that voluminous until when you comb, then you're like, ooh, wow, I never knew my hair was this voluminous. Okay, back to the tutorial. So I already started braiding. So as you're braiding, you're like picking hair, take some hair from the rest of the hair at the back, braid, then pick hair. I really don't know how to explain this, but I feel like the more you watch and the more you practice, you're going to get better doing this. I'm going to finish the rest off camera and I'll come and show you guys my finished results. So I'm done doing all my hair. Let me show you guys what the back looks like. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.